I couldn't keep up with my kids anymore. I was having a hard time. I have very active children who were often in a lot of sports, and they'd often want me to go out and play with them, and I could not keep up with them. I take my kids down to Bryce Canyon, and this below the rim hike, I thought I was going to die. Walking back up the hill, it was one of those things that was very difficult. And that was part of one of the reasons I knew that I needed to change. And I also wanted to be an example to my children because I wanted them to live healthy, but I couldn't fulfill that myself, so I wasn't being a very good example. I'd done weight loss before, but I gained it all back and more. I wanted to find a place that could help me with the tools to maintain that loss. There was a program called Way to Health that I was referred to and looked at, and I realized it was something that would allow me to be held accountable, for one, but also hopefully learn the tools to lose the weight the correct way, but also help to hopefully maintain that weight loss. It provided me with the information to learn what the classes were about, what we'd be learning about, from healthy eating to exercise to meal preparation. I think was great. There's some different things about the program that were just allowed us to learn and to take it in one step at a time, but also have a support system there among the other participants. I think that was one of the better things about it, was that you weren't in this alone. Yes, you had your support of your dietitian, but you also had other members that you would talk to, and commiserate with at times when things were hard. And something to achieve is something that I don't think I've set before in any of my previous attempts to lose weight. The year-long commitment is a big commitment, but if you are truly willing or are wanting to make a change, that change doesn't happen overnight. You got to be willing to make and put the effort in, and that change will happen. It does take time, but if you put forth the effort, it will happen. Some of my favorite aspects of the program was the meeting with the dietitian and sitting down and going over what my goals were. I believe that was a very important part of the process, is setting goals. I started the program at 292 pounds. By the time the program ended, I was weighing 202 pounds, so I had lost 90 pounds over the course of the year. I think that when high school I weighed 220 pounds, so I was even a good 18 pounds less than I weighed in high school. Toward the end of the program, through some of the exercise and getting myself back in shape, I accomplished my first marathon. That's something I was able to accomplish before. My goal was before I was 40. As of today, I still feel great. I'm still running, I'm still exercising. I still take the stairs whenever I can. Just still trying to maintain those little steps I did before. The Weight Health program was worth it to me. It gave me accountability, something that I was lacking before that I need. Anyone who needs to be held accountable, this program will work for you. Took my kids down to Bryce Canyon 2 months ago after I've lost all the weight, and we walked all over and hiked all through, down below the rim, all through the rim, and it's amazing the difference in my perspective, what I know I can accomplish. Knowing that I can go out and enjoy those hikes, that I can enjoy nature, that I can take my kids to these national parks and see the great wonders that we have. A lot of people have noticed change in me over the course of that year I was in the program and wondered what I was doing. I was very proud and happy to say that I joined the Intermountain Weight Health program.